for the point of view of business. So I think job is good option for all, for middle class or for lower class. Maybe if you are upper class, then you can start a business, and if you have suffer loss, then it won't affect you. But if you are a middle class or from lower class, so I think job is enough, and job is a good option.
Then getting government job is a very difficult this time. Firstly, you have to study a lot and you have to give bribe big politician. After that, you can get government job.
So, sir, you are talking about actor and actress. They are very rich. If they suffer some loss, it won't be affect them. And if a middle class person or lower class person start a business, and it suppose and they will bankrupt, then suppose what will happen?
there are more opportunities for the more qualified one. You can get a job by qualifying all the exams.
Employees need to job. So
Sorry to interrupt.
businessmen people not
Businessmen people
not come to
need
you
a person
ki,
to
not
employ.
come to you that you work in my company. You can go.
Yes,
You
we yes
you
we
come to businessmen people that please I need to job.
yes we can do. But suppose if a person don't go there, then how the business will run? There is a lot of branches for a business who needs employee. Hello everyone, how are you all? I'm also fine. So today we are going to have a debate on such a wonderful topic, which is job versus business, and I am in the favor of job, which is given by sir. So thank you, sir. So firstly, I would like to tell you briefly about job. So job is something that denotes a paid form of employment. In job, there is paid determined income. One can get more career growth in jobs if they are qualified enough, and job holders have better financial security than the business owner. So thank you.
Good morning, everyone. How are you all? So, firstly, I would like to say thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to speak here. And so, my first point, I think that in a job you work under the rules and decision of your employer. Your time, income, and growth depend on someone else's approval. You cannot fully explore your ideas, set your own schedule. So, take risk to achieve your dream. So, this lack of freedom and control your career is a major drawback. So, making many people prefer starting a business because where they can shape their own destiny. So that's why business is the best option for us and everyone.
As for you said, there is also risk in business. There is more risk in business, and if you start a business, then you may not know about the income or steady income. There is no steady income in business. Like in business, we need a good background, we need land, resource, and many money factor and market factor also. So I can say that job is better than business.
There is nothing like that. In a business, you start your business 10,000, 20,000 money. There is nothing like that. You have a lot of money after that. You start a business. There is nothing. Most businessmen people start their business like 10,000, 5,000 money. So business is the best, and you are your own boss in a business. But job, you make not decision. You make not your own schedule. So, but
As a job holder, there is a fixed time for the employee. In business, there is a flexible work schedule. You have to spend all your time and resources in a single business. But in job, as a job holder, you have to work for 9 to 5, 8 to 9, and fixed working schedule. So you can spend more time with the family. So that I can say that job is better than business.
so you want to get job. So firstly, you have to good qualification. After that, you get job. Without good qualification, you can't get job. And firstly, businessmen people also give you job. Without businessmen, without big businessmen, you can't get job. So business is the best, and business is the better than job, because businessmen people growth GDP every country GDP growth because of businessmen, because of big businessmen and because of big companies. So that's why we can't.
Stably and no risk, a lot of facilities and no tension. Many officers have a luxurious lifestyle, not a lot of facilities.
How can you say business is not a good facility? Because when you are doing business, so you have lots of facilities. If you need someone, so if just example, if you need someone to, and then you receive a call, and then you close your shop, and then you will go. And if you are doing a job, so last time ma'am said fixed time, so your time is fixed and you are doing there, and you did not go there everywhere. And if you are on business, and when someone call you and someone need you, so you will go there. You just say your employed, yeah, I will go there. I'm coming just for some time. So how can you say business is not a good facilities?
So, sir, as you said, you can start your business by investing only 5,000 or 10,000. So you are not correct here. You have to spend a huge amount for starting a business, such as 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 15 lakh. And suppose if your business runs not smoothly, then what will happen? You will bankrupt, and from where you will pay the loan? So this is a point to be noted for the point of view of business. So I think job is good option for all, for middle class or for lower class. Maybe if you are upper class, then you can start a business, and if you have suffer loss, then it won't affect you. But if you are a middle class or from lower class, so I think job is enough, and job is a good option.
I have one question for you. So suppose that you got a chance to do the business or job, what will you do? Suppose that you got a chance to do something. So what will you do, job or business?
Well, it depends upon the condition,
Okay, so suppose that
but still I will mostly prefer job.
okay, so according to me, better business is better than job because there is no limit of money, and nowadays businessmen are growing, and job peoples is getting, there is limit of money job for job person. And if businessman peoples are doing job business, and he moves anywhere,
Yeah, I know.
so according to me, business is better than job.
So as you said, a job holder can earn less money. Yes, you are right, but a job holder earn fixed money. There is no flexibility in job holders. They have to earn their money on monthly basis. But in business, the owner may suffer a lot of loss if the business not run smoothly. So from the financial point of view, I guess job is better, because there is no burden of loss or profit. He has to his work, and he will earn his salary.
Okay.
No matter what the firm goes into, profit or loss, he has earned his salary.
So how can get a job? Firstly, you have to qualification. You have to good skill. After that, you can get jobs. So how can get job?
Yes, firstly you have to earn your skills, then you can get get a
No,
great
this
job.
time not get job easily because this time
No, if you have skills, then you can get job easily.
okay.
There's a lot of free certification courses online, and you can earn from their certificate, and you can easily apply in MNCs on such a huge company, and they can hire you if you have skills. Without skill, you are not going to start your business.
No,
You must
but-
possess some skill. That's why you are thinking that you have to start your business. So it is the point for noted.
But big companies firstly see your qualification, see your good qualification, not your skill, not see your skill.
Yes, you were right, but there are a lot of platform that provides a free certification courses to all the needy students. So if you are interested, so that you can earn certificate from there in a very less money, or somewhere there is no money, you can earn one certificate from there, and then you can add it into your resume and apply from job.
Okay, you said study is very important, but without studying you are doing business. But without studying you are not doing a job. You are not doing job because most of the person here, if I talk about Mo, so most of the person not educated and he is doing business very well and he earn a lot of money. So what do you think about that?
So you are right. Without study, nobody can do job, and without study, nobody can do a business smoothly. If you talk about a sari business or loom business, then it is possible. But if you talk about anything instead of this, then a person can't do a business properly if he is not educated.
You know what's he earn per day?
No, I don't know.
He earn per day 1 lakh rupees selling this sari. So you think about what he earn per month, like 30 lakh, 25 lakh. So that's lot of money.
Yes, you're right. But the business of sari is just here, not in
But
everywhere.
he's a business.
Yeah, I know it's business, but still, if you talk about any other business, and it can't be done without education. There must be education.
I know,
If a
but
person is educated, then they can hike their business growth. They can maximize their profit if the person is educated. But if the person is not educated, they can't do this.
Businessmen people also provide a good job and good salary monthly, like Ambani and Tata companies. They all increases our country's GDP. Without big businessmen, our country not grow GDP. So how can you say that job is best?
So, do you think if job holders don't apply in your company for job, then what will happen? Is there anyone to do such job?
But
Like you are saying that business holder provide job to employ to person, but suppose if job holders don't apply in your company, then what will happen? Is that person enough courage to do such whole task alone? He can't do this.
yeah, like Larry Page also alone doing their business. Google company owners.
So
Larry
he,
Page is firstly you have no employee, but they also their business run good alone.
but now they have employees.
Okay, but firstly
So just think, without employee, how can a person run their business? Just think
but
about it.
businessmen people not need to employees. Employees need to job. So
Sorry to
businessmen
interrupt.
people not
Businessmen
go
people
not come to
need
you
a person
ki,
to
not
employ.
come to you that you work in my company. You can go.
Yes,
You come to businessmen people that please I need to job. Please I need to job.
yes, we can do. But suppose if a person don't go there, then how the business will run? There is a lot of branches for a business who needs employee. If there is no employee in the firm, then how the business will run smoothly? There's different branches such as HR, marketing, finance, advertising. How could a person do alone to run a business successfully?
Depend on each others.
Yeah, you are right. Both are depends on each other.
As for our concern, pandemic is like pandemic or any disaster. Government job has got their salary. Job holders can use their saving money in tough time, and they also got their salary in tough time, so that job is better than.
Getting government job is a very difficult this time. Firstly you have to study a lot and you have to give bribe big politician. After that you can get government job. Government job is very difficult this time. You can't
There are
get
more
government job.
there are more opportunities for the more qualified one. You can get a job by qualifying all the exams.
But in India lack of jobs, so that's why most people prefer starting a business, not doing jobs.
But for starting a business, we need more land, more money.
No, there
And
is nothing like that.
yes, as I think that there is a need of money, lots of money,
Most
time,
people
and
start their business not a lot of money
there is
like
more responsibilities in starting a business than getting a regular job. That's all. There is more responsibilities than getting a regular job.
employer has a lot of pressure in their head because Why many actors starting side business?
They're not starting a side business. They only invest their money.
No, most actors and actors start a business like a shop and market and clothes shop and hotels.
The shops and markets of other actors are also in partnership, like they invest their money there.
No, there is nothing like that. They also
I think
start their business alone, not a partnership. Because firstly, you have they have a lot of money, so they start a business.
So, sir, you are talking about actor and actress. They are very rich. If they suffer some loss, it won't be affect them. And if a middle class person or lower class person start a business, and it suppose and if they will bankrupt, then suppose what will happen? They will totally come on the road. And if actor or actress suffer some loss, then it won't affect them. They have great capital. They have nothing to affect. So from that point of view, job is better than business.
In a business, you work under your rules, not any boss, any managers. In a business, you are your own boss. You set your own schedule. You make decision, and so this thing is a good for us because we can't do job any boss and any manager. So I think that business is the best option for us.
you said that there is a leader and they are the boss, but as a business owner you get easily depressed, you get easily anxiety attack, and you have to work on their all own, taking decisions, making all the data strategies, so that a business owner can get easily depressed.
Because 1 month ago, one employee is dead because of depression and doing hard work in a company. So how can you say that businessmen people have a lot of depression? Dead and go into depression because of the hard work and doing a lot of work.
Business also, like business owners are also end their life.
I know,
in-
but I have never ever heard about that businessmen people are dead because of depression and anxiety. There is nothing like that. I only heard about it that one employee is dead because of hard work and doing a lot of work in a company.
but in job there is a many facilities, other facilities like health insurance and bonuses, promotions, so that's why.
Who facilities who give you? Who give us? Businessmen also give opportunity. That's why you said to me. They said to us without when he did not give opportunity. So how can you say that